My name is Can Alexander. I'm from Austria, and I'm very happy to be here. It's my first time in Macedonia, and thank you also for the inviting me to come here. From the sponsors and tournament organizer and everyone who is organizing this tournament. It's very international. Great to see this and to support the international table tennis, and I'm happy to play here.
Даниела Христова съм, треньор на националния отбор на България за девойки. За четвърти път сме в Берово на турнира Зегин и много сме доволни от целият турнир, от посрещането, от условията, които са предоставени. Искам да благодаря на клуба в Берово за добрите условия, за добрите постижения. Заедно преди турнира направихме и тренировъчен лагер, който протече прекрасно. Всички деца се сдружаваха, имаха време за игра, да се подготвят. Искам специално да благодаря и на спонсора на фирма Зегин за прекрасния турнир, за спонсорството, с което те участват, и дано до година отново да се видим тук и всичко да бъде добре както тази година.
I'm from Brazil. It's the first time I come here to Berovo in Macedonia, and I think it's very great. This tournament is a great opportunity to play many countries different, and I'm very happy to this atmosphere with the people, the level of tournament. The city is amazing, so for me it's a very good experience.
This is my third time here in this tournament at the Zegin Open. I'm happy to be part of the tournament. I hope to give my best here. I'm very happy, as I said. This is a place that always recharges my energy from the beginning of the season. I hope everything goes fine. Thank you.
Moje ime je Ivana Malobabić, dolazim iz Hrvatske, evo drugu godinu sam ovdje na turniru. Došla sam obraniti titulu od prve godine. Vrlo sam sretna što sam došla ovdje, jako lijepo su mi svi primili, jako prijateljski su mi sve pomogli i moram priznati da ako bude mogućnosti da ću i treće godine, ako me pozovu, doći ovdje na turnir.
The atmosphere is really nice. We have a lot of people from different countries here. It's a nice experience to play with people.
I'm Dinçer. I'm from Turkey. In second tournament here. Last year I came finalist, and now yesterday I'm third. And here is good. I love Macedonia, and here is good. And this time I want to play semi-final, and that's it.
My name is Melissa Erdoğan. I am from Turkey. I like playing table tennis. I love my Macedonia.
Sofia Dinçer. I came from Turkey. Yesterday I played in under 13 boys. I became third place. I play defense. I am a chopper. I don't attack.
Yes, you can. I'm Emrah Bulut. I am 14 years old. I am playing attack at table tennis. I love this city and Macedonia. Thanks for your attention.
Mind on kutsutud sellele turniirile. Ma olin väga rõõmus ja väga sõbralik õhkkond on siin. Ka võistluste tugevus on väga hea ja ma julgen soovitada seda võistlust kõigile. Kui avaneb võimalus, ma tuleks ka teinekord siia võistlustele.